Bloody hell!
Mate, what's the crack?
My Xbox jacked it in. So I'm going at some old school Nintendo. Super Mario 2.
Brilliant! So what's the problem?
I'm on that one level that's impossible to beat.
Why not use the Doctor Who cheat?
Doctor Who what?
The Doctor Who cheat! Don't tell me you've never heard of it before. Give me that controller and watch the master work. Up, up, down, left, right, B, B, up, up, A, left, right, 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 left, right, 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 left, and then say, God save the Queen, and there it is. Now just watch this.
Well, that was bollocks. What's the fun in skipping to the end?
Yeah, well, you're the bugger that couldn't get past World 4-1.
Well, and you're a poofter that can't take a bottle to the head.